Hello guys, let's correct the worksheet. X plus 3 2 times 2x minus 5 equals 0. So either x plus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equals to minus 3 or 2x equals 5, x equal to 5 over 2. So the solution is either x equal minus 3 or x equals to 5 over 2. Now for part B, x minus 2 squared equals 0. So I take x minus 2 equals 0. So x equals to 2. Now for part C, 2x minus 3, x plus 2 plus 2x plus 1, x plus 2 equal to 0. I need to factorize the expression before I can solve equal to 0. So I factorize it. I take x plus 2, the common factor. So x plus 2, open brackets, 2x minus 3 plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. X plus 2, expand inside the brackets, 2x minus 3 plus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. X plus 2, 2x plus 2x is 4x, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 equal to 0. Now I solve each one equal to 0. So I take x plus 2 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So here I have x equal to minus 2, first solution, and the second solution, 4x equal 1, x equal to 1 over 4, my second solution. Now for part D, I also need to factorize it. So x squared minus 16 is x minus 4, x plus 4, because it's difference of two squares, x minus 4, x plus 4, plus x plus 4, x minus 2 equals to 0. Now I take x plus 4 as a common factor, open brackets, and divide. I'm left with x minus 4 plus x minus 2 equals to 0. Now expand inside the brackets, x minus 4 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. It is x plus 4, x plus x is 2x, minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 equal to 0. I'm not done factorizing. I have 2 as a common factor here. So it is x plus 4. I take 2 as a common factor in the beginning. X plus 4. Now 2x divided by 2 is x. Minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3 equal to 0. Now I solve this. 2x plus 4, x minus 3 equals to 0. So I take either this one equal to 0 or x minus 3 equals to 0. So x plus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Don't forget to write or, since it is either this solution or this solution. So it is x equal to minus 4 or x equals to 3. And I'm done. Now in today's lesson I'm going to solve this exercise. Given a of x equal x squared minus 9 minus 3x plus 2 3 minus x. Part A, develop and reduce a of x. So I need to develop and reduce a of x. So I need to develop it. So a of x equals to develop. I don't expand, I don't factorize, I leave it x squared minus 9, and I leave minus 3, and I expand these two parentheses to make it one parenthesis. So x times 3 is 3x. X times minus x is minus x squared. Now 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times minus x is minus 2x. So it is equal to x squared minus 9. Now multiply each term by minus 3. So minus 3 times 3x is minus 9x. Minus 3 times minus x squared is plus 3x squared. Minus 3 times plus 6 is minus 18. And minus 3 times minus 2x is plus 6x. Is equal to x squared plus 3x squared, 4x squared. Now minus 9 minus 18 is minus 27. And minus 9x plus 6x is minus 3x. Now I write it in the correct order. 4x squared minus 3x minus 27, from the greatest exponent to the least exponent, and the number at the last, at the end. Now I'm done with part A. Now part B, find the value of a of 1. To find the value of a of 1, I need to replace x by 1. So I had a of x and I expanded to this form, 4x squared minus 3x minus 27 in part A. Now in part B, I need to find a of 1. So I need to replace x by 1. A of 1, so I replace x by 1, so it is 4, 1 squared minus 3 times 1 minus 27. 1 squared is 1 times 4 is 4. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 minus 27. So it is 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 27 is minus 26. Now part C, I need to factorize a of x. So I need to factorize a of x. X squared minus 9, I need to factorize it as difference of two squares. X minus 3, x plus 3, minus 3, x plus 2, 3 minus x. Now, I still don't have a common factor, but here I have x minus 3, and here I have 3 minus x. So if I take minus as a common factor, 3 minus x becomes x minus 3. X minus 3. X plus 3, so I take minus here as a common factor. Now minus times minus is plus 3, x plus 2, x plus 3. Now I have x minus 3 as a common factor. Open brackets. X minus 3 divided by x minus 3, they cancel. I'm left with x plus 3 plus 3, x plus 2, and x minus 3 cancel with x minus 3. Is equal to x minus 3, expand inside the parentheses, the brackets, x plus 3 plus 3x plus 6. So it is equal to x minus 3, x plus 3x is 4x, plus 3 plus 6 is plus 9, and I'm done factorizing. Now part D, solve a of x equals 0. So to solve a of x equals 0, I need to take the factorized form and solve it equal to 0. So I take the factorized form, a of x equal x minus 3 for x plus 9, and I solve it equal to 0. So a of x equal to 0. So this is a of x that I need to solve it equal to 0. So x minus 3 for x plus 9 equals to 0. I take x minus 3 equals to 0, or 4x plus 9 equals to 0, or so x equals to 3. I'm done with the first solution. Now 4x equals to minus 9, x equals to minus 9 over 4. This is my second solution, and we're done for today. We'll continue the lesson tomorrow. Stay safe and good luck.